I've been a patient of Dr. Liang for over 13 years now. The first time I saw him, I had really bad eczema. And it was for 8 years. Before I saw him, I had gone to dermatologists, general practitioners, and even infectious disease doctors. All they've given me were medications such as prednisone or steroids or shots. They might have helped temporarily, but they never solved the problem. So when I was introduced to Dr. Liang one day, I had a really bad case of eczema. It was all over my hands, all over my body. And it was so bad it was affecting my life. So one day when I did see him, I was really open to the whole concept, and I didn't know what was going on. A friend of mine told me about him because his cousins had really good experiences. So I thought, okay, this is a good way to go, word of mouth. So when I did go see him, I think within 2 treatments, I already noticed the difference. And at that time, I was going on a trip. And trip was going to be within 2 weeks. So after 5 treatments, I noticed that my skin cleared up. And when I went on my trip, I didn't have any issues at all. It was amazing, no medication at all. What's great about Dr. Liang is that he is more than just a doctor. He's a quantum scientist. He invents so many items out there that nobody even thinks about, because a lot of doctors these days, they're just busy prescribing medication, and they're just asking you, they don't even ask you too many questions. I mean, if you just tell them, you just see him for 5 minutes. But Dr. Liang, he really cares. So what's great about that is that he really gets to the root of the problem. Many times when I see him, if during the years, if I come down with something, it usually has to do with either food or some kind of virus or bacteria. So that's kind of the concept of how things work in his world. And when he identifies that, then he'll. So one day I bought one of these devices. It's a terahertz device. Some people might have seen this online. And I bought one because I'm really into health and alternative medicine. And in the beginning, it was pretty helpful because I noticed that it can make you terahertz water, and I was feeling pretty good, pretty energetic. And I did notice that there was less inflammation. And if I had, let's say, bumped myself on the knee or the thigh or something, and I used it, I noticed that it reduced the pain. It actually takes it away. So that was a really good thing. But after so many months, I noticed that I was getting some symptoms. And the symptoms were like frequent urination. Also, I wasn't able to sleep certain times, and digestive issues. Those were some of the few symptoms. So I contacted Dr. Liang, and he told me that the device was something that one of his patients is also came to him with, because they also purchased it too. And he told me, after checking it out, that even though the device might take away the inflammation or whatever it is you might have, such as the negative energy that you might have from using the device. So let's say if you bump your knee or your arm, and then you use it, and it does take away the pain, somehow that inflammation or whatever ailment it is that's taken away from you, somehow it sends it back to you in a way, the way I understand it. So in a way you could say, whatever benefits you're getting from it, that it takes away from you, it also somehow it throws it right back at you.